Stunning remodeled historic craftsman home in gorgeous historic district of Liberty. Low maintenance living awaits you with that like new feeling in a full remodel that has never been occupied. Only 2 blocks to downtown Liberty Square, 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms are set in a double master configuration. Classic and timeless with all modern conveniences, hardwood floors, vintage tile and historic layout meet double vanities, walk-in closets, walk-in pantry, main floor laundry, and mudroom. Nothing was overlooked: new kitchen, new carpet, new paint inside and out, new HVAC. A stunning entryway/formal dining room greets you and wows guests with double French doors to your office/guest bedroom and year-round conditioned sunroom ready for plants and lounge chairs. The custom kitchen from Miller's Custom Cabinets includes quartz counters, gas range with vented hood, and eat-in Peninsula. Pantry/laundry room is huge and just off the kitchen with built-in shelves. This is the rare, true, double master suite house, one just as good as the other. Front master has huge ensuite with double vanity and walk-in closet and opens onto your glorious sunroom. Back master has full ensuite, vaulted ceilings, and backyard balcony. All 3 bathrooms have all new fixtures, tile, and toilets, with one retaining a historic bathtub. The new dual HVAC system with new ductwork brings total climate control and efficiency. Don't forget the large, clean basement with new concrete and paint, the detached garage with rear entry into the mudroom with custom cabinetry, and the fully fenced backyard. With a historic front porch, classic sunroom, rear balcony and patio, there are so many ways to enjoy the outdoors with new landscaping and mature trees. In the heart of historic Liberty, you are minutes away from the farmers market and local shops and restaurants. This is a truly one-of-a-kind home that will wow you and your guests for years to come. Agent to verify square feet/taxes. Please leave lights on.